Stuck with Cloudflare in a language you can't read? Change it in seconds without guessing. Here's exactly how. We'll start by logging in. Then click your profile, hover over Language, and pick your choice. 4 simple steps. So first, make sure you're logged into your Cloudflare account. Head over to dash.cloudflare.com and sign in with your email and password. This is the main dashboard where you manage all your sites and settings. If you're already logged in, you're ahead of the game. Just give it a second to load up completely. You want to see that familiar interface with all your domains listed. Once logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small profile icon, usually your initials or a little avatar circle. Click on that. This opens a drop-down menu with your account details. Now, this is where it gets a little tricky if you are staring at a language you don't understand. Every label in that drop-down is going to be in that foreign language. But don't worry, we are going to find what we need by location and icon, not by reading the words. In the drop-down, find the language option. You are looking for an option near the bottom of the list. It usually has a small globe icon or a little earth symbol next to it. Hover your mouse directly on top of that text. Don't click it just yet. When you hover, a secondary menu will slide out to the side. This is where all the available languages are listed. This part can be a little finicky, so make sure your mouse stays steady right over that line so the submenu doesn't disappear. Now simply click your desired language. You'll see a long list here. Scroll through and find your language, whether it's English, Spanish, French, German, Japanese, or something else. Just click on it once. The interface will update immediately. You don't need to save or confirm anything. As soon as you click, the entire dashboard refreshes and all the text switches over. It is almost instant. Double check that everything looks right. Look at the top menu, look at the sidebar, and make sure all the navigation labels make sense to you now. If everything looks good, you are all set. You can close the dropdown and get back to work. If it didn't change, here's what to do. First, try refreshing the page. Sometimes the browser needs a little nudge to fully apply the new language setting. Just hit that refresh button. If it still doesn't work, clear your browser cache or try a different browser. Occasionally, a cached version of the old page sticks around. And finally, make sure you actually hovered and clicked, not just scrolled past the language option. It is a common mistake to accidentally click the wrong item in that dropdown. And that is really all there is to it. From feeling completely lost in a foreign dashboard to confidently navigating in your preferred language in under a minute. Now you can focus on managing your sites without the frustration of guessing what each button does. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.